In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate strut on this Dodge Durango. Let's get into it. I'm going to support the liftgate with a pull jack. If you don't have a pull jack, that's okay. If you have an assistant, they can hold this gate up while you're doing the repair. It does get pretty heavy, so be careful. Using a pick, we're going to take this clip off, or at least pop it out. Just get underneath here. Just slide that out. That slid back. Just grab and pull it, slide it out. We're going to do the same on this clip. Just put your pick in the back, slide that out, and slide it off the socket. And we're just going to pop this on over the ball and socket. Just line it up, push, and lift this up. You may have to push up on the liftgate slightly. Pop that on. At that point, you can lower the pull jack.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.